Well, on the backside of a Friday afternoon, you just finishing up lunch, probably. I'm about to have lunch after I finish this, consisting of frosted flakes. Hi, hope you're doing good. I wanted to pop in for a minute, let you know what the current thinking is toward the weather tonight and tomorrow. I know a lot of you have weekend outside plans. There's several things, organized things going on outdoors, and right now, we've got 73 at Gardendale, North Jefferson, 71 in Winfield, Summerton 69, Jasper's got 76. I checked that twice, but that's what it reads. And Alabaster has an even 80 degrees, and there's 70 degrees at the Birmingham International Airport. Okay, what can we expect? Very little chance. I mean, non-existent chance of rain this afternoon. Almost the weather service said. In fact, they said they're probably just going to take it out of the forecast. That was the current thinking. Now we're getting cooler and drier air mass into our area right now. Dew points are in the 30s in East Alabama, lower 40s west of I-65, and the Cirrus Shield will overspread and take over tonight and this beginning this afternoon, and uh, there's some deeper moisture over Texas right now, but it's going to take a while to get here. So that's one thing that makes it so iffy. The Cirrus Shield, of course, is they're high level clouds, 16,000 feet or higher. They uh, very rarely are they associated with a thunderstorm cloud. So if you see the cirrus clouds today, you're just they're not going to be associated more than likely with um, a thunderstorm. They thought, as I mentioned, some late afternoon showers and storms west of I-65, but they're they're going to take it out altogether, and this is a couple hours old, so they probably already have. Now then, tonight, that's this is when it starts getting a little tricky. Tonight, we will have some conditions come together as well as a short wave that will stir things up, and the sounding that the little balloon that the Weather Service puts up a couple of times every day suggests convection. So that's the punch that's going to make it start getting active. But it's going to remain elevated. It's not going to get down to the ground. What good is food if you can see it but not eat it? That's the way it is here. So we'll see if that convection stays elevated. But now we will have some shear. The thinking is present, some wind shear. So that's one thing in thunderstorm developments favor. One thing I think everybody just about agrees on is some very heavy rainfall tonight, probably after midnight. Now the soundings, should they hold out and should they prove to be true, really supports all modes of severe weather. So just be on the lookout for that. Uh, Now then, Saturday, tomorrow afternoon in the noon to 8 time frame is the area that's been targeted. Here again, we might have some isolated convection going, and we are thinking we've got some favorable jet dynamics that will be just to the north of central Alabama. And if all that can get going, then yeah, we stand a pretty good chance of getting some severe thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. However, since those jet dynamics are to our north, the heavy hitters are to the north um, as well. The majority of this area is out by Saturday night, gone. Thank goodness. But with some bulk shear still present and some an isolated storm or shower we can't rule that out. And so just be advised. It's a lot of things are going to have to come together before we get some severe weather. We are not looking at a tornado threat right now. All modes of severe weather means surely, yeah, there's that chance. But remember, what we always discuss together is that severe thunderstorms can and will, on occasion, produce uh, a tornado. I'll be back later on. That's the way it looks now. Be careful going home. If I don't catch you before then, it'll be after that, Lord willing. And questions or comments, of course, CLAYS weather 1, the number 1, at gmail.com. Have a pleasant afternoon.